guys, welcome to the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Myself Utkarsh Gala, and today I will be your mentor in learning about the topic: Can a machine think on its own and take decisions? Well, assume that you are in the middle of a game with your friend, and both of you plan for a movie. But none of you have money. Yeah, so sad, right? Well, he plans to pick his grandma's wallet and quickly stuffs it in his bag and tells you that he does it all the time and never got caught. Well, you had been wanting to watch the movie for a couple of weeks. What would you do? As we clearly see in this example, the decision taken might vary depending upon your character. Hence, to achieve this capability in machines, to be able to think, we must replicate the human brain into the machines. Often in decision making by humans there is no certainty, as a group might have a different opinion towards a situation compared to an individual, or a normal person might have a completely different opinion against a wise person. Hence, there might be many misconceptions about the human understanding of the brain. In this sense, it is necessary to first explore all the assumptions about the human brain and then suggest how the specific information processing of brains would be replicated by the machines. So until now, it hasn't been possible that a machine makes decisions like humans. But in the future, this might be possible. But one-sided viewing of aspects towards decision making will not do good. Sometimes you might fail several attempts, but who knows if at last you might succeed. Humans also make mistakes, and that is the reason which allows them to learn from the same and improve their decision in the future. Hence, we should also allow the machines to make mistakes and learn from the same. Allowing the machines to take decision might open a way to approach the problem that a human expert might not have been able to think of. Hence, the researchers view artificial intelligence as being devices that can help in making decisions and treating the problem. For instance, rather than expecting AI to replace doctors in upcoming years, it should be used as a tool to assist physicians to avoid most wrong choices among a range of potential options that a trained doctor or a group of so have made. By making computers to decide on their own can be life-saving because disasters can happen as a result of suboptimal care. By using a computer, we can discover all sorts of possibilities of what might happen if we take a particular decision. In short, computers are not taking over but simply providing more help and assistance. This was a good time learning about what computers can do. Thank you, and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.